are going to learn all about the add-ins. All right, so user is calling you, is stating that some of the functionality, the features I don't see, like the Skype meeting and the OneNote. So I just wanted to add some emails in OneNote, and I really don't see the option available on my home tab. It was there earlier, but somehow it's missing now. Also, when I went to the calendar, I really don't see the Skype meeting option is available to send a meeting notification to my colleague. So what you have to do is you have to go into file option, go to the options, go to add-ins, and whatever add-ins are enabled or disabled, you would exactly look at here. So inactive application add-ins, so you could see the Skype meeting is in inactive state. Also the one which user were looking for, the OneNote, also that is disabled. So you have to select this one, com add-ins, okay, and click on go. Now you have to enable the add-ins which user is looking for, like Skype, and user said OneNote also missing. So you can check these two boxes to enable these add-ins. Say okay. All right, so add-in should be there. Okay, I come to email, back home. Now I could see OneNote. Let me close the Outlook and we'll open it again. Okay, now it's enabled, and let me try to add some email into this OneNote. Okay, Eventbrite, OneNote. I will add to my important notes on important notes. Okay, all right, so now I'm able to open the OneNote, and I was able to add these email into the OneNote, so it working fine. All right, I'll go to the meeting and I will see if Skype option is available or not. Okay, so now we can able to see the new Skype meeting. So the issues got fixed when we enable the add-in. When I went to the option add-ins, go to com add-ins, and we have checked these boxes to